Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramesh Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about AC generator. In this video, we are going to discuss about direct and alternating current. So today we will discuss about direct current and alternating current and their advantage and disadvantage also. So first of all, we will discuss direct current. So the current whose magnitude is constant or variable, but the direction always remains same is known as direct current. Means the magnitude of direct current may be constant or variable, but its direction will be always in same direction. We can draw graph. This is time and this one is current. So this is the graph for direct current. In this case, the magnitude is constant. We may draw another graph like this. This is current and this one is time. So you can see here it is in one direction and here the magnitude is variable and in this case the magnitude is constant. There it is current and time. So as I told, always the direction of DC or direct current will be same. And after that, AC current, alternating current. The current whose magnitude and direction both change with time is known as alternating current. In alternating current, first the magnitude of current increase and after that decrease, again it increase. Means its magnitude change periodically and its direction also change periodically. So we can draw the graph like this way. The graph will be of alternating current. This one will be current and this is time axis. So with respect to time, you can see here first it is increasing and after that it comes to 0 and it will go in negative direction. Again it will go towards positive. So it changes periodically and its direction also changes. So this is the graph for the alternating. Now we will discuss the advantage of AC over DC. Hence, the advantage of AC current over DC current. So AC current can be altered using step up and step down transformer, but DC cannot be altered. So this is the advantage, and AC is generated easily than DC. AC current can be easily generated. AC is cheaper than DC. AC can be easily converted into DC. AC can be easily converted without the loss of electric power to the DC. Means when we convert AC current into DC, there will be no loss of current. What are the disadvantages? So now we will discuss disadvantage of AC over DC. So in AC current, one can get a severe shock while handling AC current if there is faulty insulation. Means if anywhere there is no insulation and someone is holding AC current, so that person will get a very heavy shock, and a shock of AC current attracts the person while the shock of DC current repel the person. So when there will be shock of AC current, it will hold the person until there is current in the conductors. So it will give severe shock, and if DC is touched, it will repel, and immediately you will be disconnected from the DC current and you will not get severe shock. So today we discussed about AC current and DC current. That's all. Thank you.